Our refined matte black finish has a distinct contemporary feel. It looks great in ultra-modern interiors, but this versatile finish is timeless and will create a sophisticated statement in traditional or more rustic settings too. The matte black finish is applied to a base material of solid steel and then baked in a high temperature oven, resulting in a subtle black patina. Matte black creates a brilliant contrast with soft pinks or light greys, or will blend effortlessly into darker interiors. This finish also works well against raw timber and will complement other natural materials such as marble in a kitchen or bathroom. For accompanying products, we recommend choosing our beeswax finishes.